Welcome to this tutorial on how to read Robinhood tax documents for the year 2025. As a Robinhood user, it is essential to understand your tax documents to ensure you are meeting your tax obligations and taking advantage of any available tax savings. First, let's start with the basics. Robinhood is required to provide you with tax documents by January 31st of each year, detailing your investment activities from the previous year. The primary tax document you will receive from Robinhood is the 1099 form, which reports your investment income to the IRS. To read your 1099 form, start by looking at the top section, which contains your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Verify that all this information is accurate, as any errors may cause delays in processing your tax return. Next, review the boxes on the form, which report different types of investment income. Box 1 reports dividend income, Box 2 reports capital gains, and Box 3 reports other income. Make sure you understand what each box represents and review the amounts carefully. Now, let's look at an example. Suppose you received a 1099 form from Robinhood with $100 in Box 1 and $500 in Box 2. This means you earned $100 in dividend income and $500 in capital gains from your Robinhood investments in the previous year. It is crucial to report this income on your tax return, as the IRS requires you to pay taxes on investment income. You can use tax software or consult a tax professional to help you with this process. In addition to the 1099 form, Robinhood may also provide you with a Schedule 1, which reports additional income or losses from your investments. Review this document carefully, as it may affect your tax obligations. To ensure you are meeting your tax obligations, make sure to keep accurate records of your investment activities, including your 1099 forms and any other tax documents you receive from Robinhood. You should also consult with a tax professional if you have any questions or concerns about your tax situation. In conclusion, reading your Robinhood tax documents is a straightforward process that requires attention to detail and a basic understanding of investment income and tax obligations. By following these steps and seeking professional help when needed, you can ensure you are meeting your tax obligations and taking advantage of any available tax savings.